what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, because today we're diving into something absolutely insane. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC, but not the one at your local dealer. Oh no, this is the dream design, the one Ford should have built. An exaggerated supercharged track monster that'll make you question everything about American muscle. Trust me. By the end, you'll need this in your garage. Let's go! And if this gets you pumped, drop a like right now. All right, starting with the front end. Wow, just wow. That aggressive fascia, massive lower vents swallowing air like a beast. The supercharged 5.2-liter V8 behind you is thirsty, and these intakes feed it. Those headlights, stacked LEDs with blue DRL accents, scream Mustang. At night it's hunting, and that carbon fiber splitter, 8 inches out like a plow, with dive planes for pure race DNA. Wide body fenders, 4 inches wider each side. This squats like it owns the road. 20-inch forged wheels up front, Pirelli P0s, yellow Brembos stopping time itself. If you're loving this, comment front end fire below. Now the side profile, ultra-low stance flows like liquid metal. Proportions are perfect, pure pony car magic. Side scoops, 30% larger for that 700+ horsepower V8 cooling. Not fake, every vent works. Beltline rises to a wedge shape screaming speed. Staggered wheels, 20 front, 21 rear, gloss black with blue accents. Door handles, flush for seamless flow. This is a driver's car. Hit subscribe if sides like this get you hyped. Flip to the rear. This makes a statement. Active carbon fiber wing in attack mode. GT3 race car vibes. Tail lights. 4 enlarged circles with blue halos. Intimidating in your mirror. Quad exhausts. 4 titanium pipes in a square. Blue flame patina. Rev it up. Pure symphony. Carbon diffuser carved by wind. Blue accents guiding your eye. Wide and low, ready to pounce. Like if the rear blows you away. Pop the hood. What a weapon. Predator. Supercharged 5.2-liter V8, 700+ horsepower. Rumors whisper 800. Not about peaks, it's the experience. Revs like a demon. Snap the 7-speed dual clutch. Intoxicating sound. Engine bay. Blue valve covers. Carbon fiber. Titanium manifolds glowing hot. Art, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Quarter mile in 10 seconds. Top speed, 200+ miles per hour. Track, 620 pounds downforce at 180 miles per hour laps embarrass Pursuer cars. American pride, comment your favorite spec. Slide inside, a serious cockpit. Race car with AC, steering wheel. Flat bottom Alcantara, blue stripe, massive paddles, Mustang logo. Seats, carbon fiber buckets with blue leather, hold tight but comfy. Carbon dash, Alcantara headliner, blue stitching. Start button blue, details matter. Digital cluster, customizable, tire pressure to G-forces. Redline dares you. Console stripped, climate, drive modes, no distractions. Focus. Sub-if interiors like this excite you, elephant in the room. Can you buy it? Standard Dark Horse approximately $60,000. Insane value versus Europeans at triple price.